Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I will tell you how to invest in Bitcoin safely for beginners. In 2022, Netflix in last few years, cryptocurrency growth of the cryptocurrency market in the last few years, more people than ever are looking to invest in Bitcoin to potentially generate market-beating returns. This article will discuss how to invest in Bitcoin in details, reviewing the top trading platforms in the market and highlighting how you can make your Bitcoin investment today with tight spreads and no hidden fees. Investing in Bitcoin doesn't have to be complicated. Found below are the 4 quick steps you need to take in order to buy Bitcoin with our recommended trading platforms. Open an account with either head to eToro homepage and click join now to sign up. Your capital is at risk. Deposit at least $10 into your trading account using a credit debit card, bank transfer or e-wallet. Search for Bitcoin, type BTC or Bitcoin into the search bar at the top of the screen and click trade. Enter the amount you have income minimum of $10. Double check everything is correct and click open trade. We have identified the two best and safest platforms to make your first Bitcoin investment. Our recommended trading platform for traders looking to invest in Bitcoin is eToro. Exchange has a stellar reputation worldwide, boasting over a million registered users and operating in over 100 countries. One of the most appealing aspects of the eToro platform is that it was top talent, including the FCA, and is licensed by the FCA in UK. When trading Bitcoin, eToro doesn't charge a transaction fee when you open or close a trade. Instead, the platform employs a spread-based structure quoted at only 0.75% for BTC. Trading, the great thing about eToro is that when you trade crypto, you will gain complete ownership of the underlying crypto. Furthermore, charging no deposit or monthly account fee, making the trading process very cost effective. This is a very important video. Thanks for visiting our YouTube channel and thanks for watching.